Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question and it says evaluate x to the power of 2 minus 2 all to the power of 2 equals to x plus 2. So we have here solution. So we are going to evaluate this for us to find the value of x. So we are given x to the power of 2 minus 2 all to the power of 2 equals to x plus 2. We can look at this parenthesis. It is in the form x to the power of 2 plus minus 2 all to the power of 2 equals to x plus 2. This is the same thing as this. So now this is the same thing as a plus b all to the power of 2, and this is the same thing as a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. So we are expressing this in this format. So this is our a and this is our b. So this will become x to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 plus 2 times a. Our a is x to the power of 2 times b, which is minus 2. Then we have plus b is minus 2 all to the power of 2 equals to x plus 2. We have to bring down this. So this is the same thing as having x to the power of 4 plus 2 times x to the power of 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4x to the power of 2. We have here minus 2 to the power of 2 become plus 4 equals to x plus 2. We bring down this. So here we can transpose this other side to the left hand side. So this will become x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 2 minus 4 minus x minus 2 all equals to 0. So in this situation, we have that, okay, this is plus 4 here. We have that 4 minus 2 is 2. So this will become x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 2. Here will become minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So this is what we have. So in this situation, we can factor this out. So here will become x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 2 minus into, here will become x. This divided by minus will become minus 2 all equals to 0. So we have these two parentheses now. So here we have x to the power of 4 here, and x to the power of 2 is common. So we can factor it out. So we have x to the power of 2 into x to the power of 2. Dividing here by x to the power of 2 gives us this. Dividing minus 4x to the power of 2 by x to the power of 2 becomes minus 4. Then this is minus x minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the same thing as having x to the power of 2 into x to the power of 2 minus, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2. You have minus x minus 2 all equals to 0. In this parenthesis, we have difference of 2 squared. So it is in the form where we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is the same thing as a plus b all into a minus b. So we are going to express this in this format. So that will become, for us to have that, we will have it as x to the power of 2 into, we have x plus 2 into x minus 2, expressing this in this format. Then we have minus x minus 2 all equals to 0. So here we have x minus 2 here, and we also have x minus 2 here. So they are common, we can factor it out. So this will become x minus 2, then into, you divide the whole of here by x minus 2, will become x to the power of 2 into x plus 2. Divide the whole of here by x minus 2 will become minus 1 all equals to 0. So in this situation, we have it as, we can expand this. So this will become x minus 2 all into x to the power of 2 times x. We have x to the power of 3. We have x to the power of 2 times, so we have plus 2x to the power of 2 minus 1 all equals to 0. So this has become two parentheses. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So let's say as x minus 2 equals to 0, or we have x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So in this situation, taking one after the other, we have that x minus 1 minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, our x will be equals to 2 when minus 2 transposed into this other side. So this is the first value of x that we have, x equals to 2. So the second one is x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. We are taking this. So this is what we become. So here we can, for us to further simplify this, we can add 1 to both sides. So this will become x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0 plus 1. So this will become x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2. Here will become minus 1 plus 1 equals to 1. We can as well transpose 1 to this other side. So this will become minus 1 equals to 0. And here we can collect like terms. Let's take 1 to this other side so that we can equate it to the power of 3 for us to be able to simplify it further. So this will become x to the power of 3 plus 1. Then we have plus 2x to the power of 2. We have minus 1 will become minus 2, all equals to 0. This one, we can write it as 1 to the power of 3. So you see the same thing. And also, here we have 2 here and we have 2 here. They are common. We can factor it out. So this will become x to the power of 3 plus 1 to the power of 3. Then we have, here is plus 2. We have divide 2x to the power of 2 divided by 2 will give us x to the power of 2. So we have minus 2 divided by 2 will give us minus 1, all equals to 0. So here we can see that we have the parenthesis here and also have parenthesis here. So we have x to the power of 2. So this one can also be written as 1 to the power of 2 so that it will be easier for us to further simplify this equation. So before we go ahead, we need to clean this. So here, as we said that we are having x to the power of 3 plus 1 to the power of 3. Then we have plus 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So here, when we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, is same thing as having a plus b all into a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. So expressing this in this format, and we also have x to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2. This is what we are going to represent as. So this will become, expressing this in this format will become, this is our a and this is our b. This will become x plus 1 into x to the power of 2 minus our a is x times b, which is 1. We have plus 1 to the power of 2. That is for this first parenthesis. So we have plus 2 into, expressing this in this format, we'll have it as, so this is going to be, we have it as x plus 1 into x minus 1, all equals to 0. That is, express this in this format. So that is what we have. So for further simplification, this will give us x plus 1 all into x to the power of 2. X times 1 is the same thing as minus x. Okay, minus x times 1 is the same thing as minus x. Plus 1 to the power of 2 is 1. So we have plus 2. This is the same thing as x plus 1 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So that is what we have. We recall that our x1 equals to 2. So that is the value of x1 that we have. So this will become, in this equation, we can see that we have x plus 1 here, when we also have x plus 1 here. They are common. We can factor it out. So we become x plus 1. Then we have into, divide the whole of here by x plus 1, become x to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. Then we have, divide the whole of here by x plus 1. We will have plus 2 into x minus 1, all equals to 0. So this is what we have. So we can further simplify this to expand this parenthesis. This will become x plus 1 into x to the power of 2 minus x plus 1 plus 2. 2 times x will have 2x. 2 times minus 1 will have minus 2, all equals to 0. We can further simplify as x plus 1 into, we have x to the power of 2. We have here minus x plus 2x will give us plus x. We have 1 minus 2 will become minus 1, all equals to 0. We have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. But we are going to solve it one after the other. So this will become, let's take this as case 1. Okay, that was case 1. Let's take this as case 2, and let's take this as case 3. So for case 2, we have that x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x will be equal to, when 1 transpose into this other side, it becomes minus 1. So this is the value of x2 that we have, because we have here as x1. Then we take case 3, which is our case 3 will be x to the power of 2 plus x minus 1 equals to 0. And here we can see that this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So here our quadratic is in the form of ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing these two equations, we have the value of our a, b, c from that quadratic formula, so that we'll be able to substitute back to this quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. From this quadratic formula, we have the value of a, which is equals to 1, and value of b, which is equals to 1, and value of c, which is equals to minus 1. So substituting this parameter into this quadratic formula, the value of our x, 3, and 4 will be equals to minus b, which is 1, plus or minus square root of, here will be 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1, which is 1, times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 1, all over 2 times 1. So in this case, value of x, 3, 4 will be equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1. This will become minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 become plus 4 all over 2. So in this case, we have the value of x, 3, and 4 will be minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So in this situation, our value of x, 3, and 4 will be equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So here we can separate this, where we have our x3 equals to minus 1 plus 5 all over 2, and our x4 as minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. So these are the value of x that we have. We have x1 here as 2, and we have x2 here as minus 1, and we have x3 here as minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2, and we have x4 here as minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. All these satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.